The universe is unbounded. We want the aliens to be true. Religions have mentioned stories of such intersection as well. Over the time, we were not ready to rely on facts from religions alone. So, most of the recorded sightings were convinced to be chunks of meteors and comets, leading to a plain ending. However, descriptions of them as round in shape is obviously odd to be overseen. In the midst of this pandemic, no much attention is being given to how US government has agreed to such a mind-blowing incident. UFO. UFO is actually unidentified flying object, which is apparently aerial phenomena, obviously not made by humans. 3 grainy monochrome infrared videos were taken, one in November 2004 and 2 more in January 2015, capturing an unknown flying object taken from a fairly far distance. Few years after they leaked online, on April 27, 2020, US Military Department of Defense released an announcement mentioning the aerial phenomena observed in the videos remain characterized as unidentified. It may seem too light of a concern at the moment, but is actually the most precious statement regarding such alien mysteries, while some see it as a foundation for revolutionary discoveries in the future. Most people still see it as a myth. So, let's crack the mystery in depth. The odd coincidence. Stories of UFO have been around for centuries. The oddest similarity of these sightings is that they were all noticed as round objects, wingless, sometimes dark or bright due to reflection of sunlight. Some said it could have been Venus appearing in our skies. Putting aside the later justification, be it farmers or pilots, all of them described the same structure in the first place, every incident happening few years apart. Even in some religious scriptures, round flying objects were illustrated. So, how could these things be the same from everyone's view? So, this may be justified because most irregular objects may seem to be oval or round from a distant view, but we can't deny that it's too odd of a coincidence. The urge. Believe it or not, we are all attracted to know more about UFOs. So, it all comes back to feeding our curiosity and solving our very own mysteries. If UFOs are really true, it marks the existence of intelligent life, aliens. We still don't know how Egyptians were able to build such massive structures within such short time. In India, people don't know how were they able to lift 80 tons of granite onto a 216 feet tower. Pseudo-archaeology says such advanced technology was obtained from aliens in those days. So finding if UFO is an alien spaceship will bring all these mysteries to an end. The purpose. Another odd piece of this puzzle is that many have seen UFOs only in the sky, at day or night time. Nobody has seen it land anywhere. Sometimes in history, people wondered if they were secret German weapons or something. So, if at all we are talking about alien spaceships wandering in our borders, what could they be doing after all? Most importantly, how are they penetrating our satellite surveillance? Or is there a breach of pathway in our own world to the aliens? And what is so interesting about moving through our clouds? Most probably, they are watching over us, monitoring and still wondering to know if we are safe to interact with. aliens and UFOs are all still matters of science fiction. I believe there is more for us to discover in our expanded universe, don't you? So, let us know what you think in the comment section below. We will be right back with more special views from Quantum Vimana.